Hey guys, what's up? This is Roman here, and today, as far as video goes, I will be comparing two DSLR cameras, which is Canon T3i or 600D and Canon T5i, which is 700D. Well, let's see what's the difference between two and what kind of new features and upgrades the T5i has. So they are both 18 megapixel and it comes with a standard 18-55mm lens. And of course there's a weight difference as well. The T5i weighs 791 grams and T3i is a little bit heavier, weighs 1031 grams. But I'll be honest with you, I don't feel much difference at all. And the greatest upgrade for T5i, it's a touchscreen. So if you shooting a video or you want to take a picture, all you got to do, if you want to focus on a certain object, just touch the screen and that's it. And another great thing about T5i, when you shoot the video, it automatically adjusts focus, which is not the case with the T3i, and I'll show you the difference. So this is a T3i or 600D, which does not have automatic focus in video mode. And as you can see, everything is blurry. So if I want to focus on a certain object, I have to press shutter button all the time. So there you go, right there. If I want to focus on this remote, and as it adjusts, you can hear this noise, which is going to be present in your video. And that's just not good. Okay, and this is T5i or 700D. So I got in the video mode right there, and you see it automatically already adjusted focus. And if I want to keep my focus on a certain object, so all I have to do, since there's a touch screen, just tap it on that object right there, and my focus, even if I move the camera, will stay on that particular certain object that I tapped on and I want to be focused on. So just like that. So this is T3i, and you see as I pointed to a certain place, there is no focus. So if I want to focus on this object, again I'll have to press that shutter button. There we go, now it's focused right there. And as we go further and further, everything is blurry. So if I want my focus to come back again, so I have to press shutter button again. There we go. So the one thing that sucks about it, this noise is going to be in your video all the time. So this is T5i. As far as focus, I'm not doing anything right now. So for example, I want to focus on this ornament, so I just press the shutter button. There we go. Or if I want to focus on that ornament, for example right here, I can just tap the screen. There we go. So either you can do tap the touch screen or adjust with the shutter button. So we lost our focus right there, so if I want to bring it back, I just press the shutter button. Without any noise, our focus is back just like that. Well, what I learned that T5i definitely will do a better job if you want to capture something on video, and will be a lot less noisy than T3i, which is 600D. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Till next time. До следующего раза, товарищи.